Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1970 Plymouth Duster, factory H code 340 car. A buddy of mine actually found this car down at the Cruising the Coast show for me down in Biloxi, Mississippi. Gorgeous car, Rotisserie Restored. It's in violet is the color. Plum crazy purple is what most people refer to it as, but it's body color underneath. Complete rotisserie restoration, very nicely done car. The resto itself is older. I guess the gentleman we bought the car from, he didn't restore it, but the engine he did put in the car. It's got a 70 date coded 340 in it with Edelbrock aluminum heads. Automatic car, power steering, disc brakes, good sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's just really a nice car, man. Love the color combo. It's got the Cragar SS's with the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. I love the pop-out rear windows. Car's just got a good look to it, man. Car's got like 79,000 or something like that original miles. Very nice. I saw a couple little touch-up marks, but that's about it. You see that front bumper's brand new. Pretty paint, very nice paint on the car. Car really hits the road good. Dash is nice in there. Pretty paint. I love the pop-out rear windows. It's got the go wing. There's a touch-up mark right there. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Got the chrome tips. New rear bumper. Nice car though. Again, factory H code 340 car. It's not a matching numbers car, but it does have a 70 date coded block in it. Nice car. Again, good running, aluminum headed 340, Holley dual feed, 4-barrel in it, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads, ceramic headers. It's got I think it's Borgeson power steering unit in it, power front disc brakes, electronic ignition. Aluminum radiator with electric fans, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, no fender tag. It's a Borgeson power steering unit. I like this car a lot. Like I say, good driver. Working my tail off, guys. I know we're kind of slowing down with cars coming in, but I'm working my tail off to get new stuff, and I've got some stuff lined up. Just bought a little 67 Camaro you'll see in the background of the video today. Got a couple of Bs coming, Super Bs that is. your door tag. See the bottoms of those doors are nice and clean. Factory black vinyl interior, bucket seats, console. Seats are nice. It's got the tough wheel in it. Factory tach and gauge car. He said the tach does not work. 79,875 on the odometer in there. Factory AM radio in the dash, and it's got an aftermarket one underneath there. Again, dual exhaust. 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. It's got Billstein rear shocks in it. It's all body color in the trunk. Factory jacks here. And again, it's all body color underneath too. Somebody spent some money building this car. It's not cheap having these cars done. I bought 2 cars this week that literally, from the people restoring them, the guys just basically ran out of money and couldn't finish them. Again, very nice underneath, all body color underneath there. Got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom for you. You know, the people who think you can restore one of these cars for 10, 15 grand, guys, it costs that to paint them. It's amazing. Seats are very nice. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. I'll have Steve look at it. It might be because they've converted it to electronic ignition. Might need a converter for that tach. Nothing crazy, just a good running 340, man. Hits the road, nice. You know, I remember when there's just a little mark in the paint there. Car's got a good look to it, good sound. So your gauges, what gauges are not working there are down here. Backup lights work. Nice little cam to it. Radio works, blower motor. Yep, blower motor does work, guys. Doors open and close nice. No on the wipers. Have Steve look at those. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Great way to keep in touch with us. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Look at that car, man. It's all body color and the wheel wells. That's a nice car, man. So, like I say, somebody spent some money building that car. Good sound. Nice and straight. Boy, it's a perfect day today, man. I love this weather right now. This is my kind of weather. guys.